Okay. Next. Okay, I'm going to wiki it. Okay. 0 to power 0. How about this? Oh, anything you want to ask?
No, it comes
Okay.
in the one.
Anything like last week, like those essay-based things, equivalent things you want to ask? Those things you don't need to wait for him, right? We have gone through. Anything you don't understand? Or want me to say again?
I don't remember.
Must try a few questions to test yourself whether see your understanding.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Smooth everything?
Oh, but
That's
that
good.
one okay.
That's very good. Okay. Okay. If no nothing, then let's do some brain exercise. Okay. 2 times minus 3 equal to
-6.
okay. Why? Easy. Okay. This is easy.
Yeah.
Why? Okay.
Negative sign is positive and negative.
You're taught in that way, right? But are you going to teach your kid this way? Yes. Oh no. What does this mean? 2 times minus 3. It means 2 of minus 3, right? Okay, so it's minus 3 and a minus 3, right? Okay, so this one is minus 6. Correct? I think so. Okay, because they say why 2 times 3 equals 6? Why? We say it's because 2 times 3 equals 6 because it is 3 plus 3, right? Okay, therefore it's 6. Right?
Then
Okay.
how do you explain the negative times negative?
You're right. That's exactly what I'm gonna ask you. Okay. Minus 2 times minus 2 times 3 first, okay? This one also minus 6, right? This is already a bit singing, okay? Don't know how to explain. It's like you got to flip it, say this is 3 times minus 2. Then you got to let's say there are 3 of minus 2. Therefore it's minus 6, right? Because you can flip it. Okay? But the point is that why you can flip it? I don't know. So until the day that we ask why minus 2 times minus 3 equals 6, wow, nobody can't flip anymore. Can't see.
Can factorize the negative out.
You factorize the negative. This is actually is only on. The idea is that what's the meaning of time? Okay, that's the thing. If you say 2 times 3, right? Are these two numbers have the same meaning? Not really. When you say 2 times 3, it says 2 of 3. Okay? So this is actually the count. This is actually the object. Okay? You have 2 of this object. So it's 3 plus 3. So this is why when these objects, right, is minus, it doesn't matter. Okay? Because you have 2 of minus 3. So you have minus 3 and minus 3. But the point is that when the count goes minus, then it's out of our rationality. We just don't understand what's the meaning of minus 2. Give me minus 2 of this cup. I think it's a bit tough. I say 2 of this cup, no issue. Just take out 2 cups, right? You say minus 2 of this cup. That's cheap, okay? So, but the worst thing is that the inventor of this symbol, okay, he's a very ancient guy. Not like actually you can't even find it from history. You don't know who is this. Okay, but we know that it's super ancient. The first one introduced something called multiplications. Okay, and his intentions, right, is never cater for any negative number. And at the time they did not have a concept of negative number. Okay, so the idea is that the inventor of this also never cater for minus, and nowadays who the world can say minus is a plus. we got no choice, okay? We're going to proceed on, so people just use it, come from nowhere. Minus become a plus. But the point is that there's no such thing called minus count. So how to have a good definitions of this operator? Yeah, this operator called multiplications. Okay, so I propose. I think a lot of people nowadays took my explanations, okay, in my NIE there, okay, and then some people from internet also, they are convinced with my argument. Okay, my argument says that this is called a repetitions operator. Okay, but the symbol that's going to repeat, okay, to repeat, okay, is the thing in front. So if you have 2 times 3, okay, which is assumed to be a positive repetitions of this symbol. So the count is with an operator symbol that is going to get repeated by this. So this is the object. This is the count. Okay, and they're very happy with it. Because if that's the case, the object is 3. There are 2 of 3. And the repetition operator is a plus. So 6. Okay? This explanation will work for even -2 times -3. Okay? Because this is the object. This is the count. This is the symbol. This is the replication sign. So if that's the case, right, it means you have -3, 2 of them. Okay? And the repetitions is the repetition operator is minus. Check this. Okay? So that is a symbol here needed by these replications to make that the count is still a count, okay, in mathematics. So therefore, for example, -3 times -2, okay, what it means is the -2 is the object. There are 3 of them are connected by the replication symbol. Okay. And
Can you explain when you open the bracket of -3?
Oh, this one, right? So -3 equal to 3, these things, right? Okay, this is a negation, okay, negation symbol. Okay, negation symbol means that if inside is positive, it will become negative. Inside is negative, the whole thing will be positive. That's the negation symbol. Okay, the operator of putting a minus in front of anything is to get inside values negate, okay, positive or negative or positive. That's the definition of a minus sign. Got it? Okay, so this is a basic one. This is not a basic one. This is a derived symbol from plus and minus. Plus and minus are basic symbol. Okay. So what's the meaning of minus? Minus means a negate of the value. Okay, so -3, right, actually means a negation of 3. Okay. So there's no way you can express the negation directly. Okay, because we want to represent the concept of -3, we need to use 2 symbols, 1 and 2. These are 2 symbols. That means you can't use 1 symbol to represent a concept of -3, but we can have 1 symbol to represent the concept of 3, positive 3. Okay, but these are 2 symbols, so these 2 symbols have separate meanings, and we got to combine them to represent something in abstract. Okay, so -3, we don't have 1 symbol to represent it. Okay, so don't see -3 as 2 different things actually. But of course, like, who cares about it? -3 just -3 is good enough.
Then divide.
Divide is worse. Divide, right?
From multiply, right?
Yeah, divide is the inverse operator multiplications. So they are, the minus is already defined from a plus, okay, and minus and plus minus, right? That's called repetition. So we derive this, and from this, right, we derive the divide. A divide is a operator. So interesting. And let's teach you some other things called. This is in my video also. If you're interested to watch it.